Today's video we are going to dye my hair and we are going to be using this. Hi there guys, and welcome back, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video we are going to be doing something with this wig on my head. We're going to be dyeing my hair and we are going to be using this. So it's by the brand Osmo and it's Colour Revive Superfast Intense Colour Conditioning Cream in the shade Steel Grey. So I'm hoping this is going to be like a dark grey on my hair. So this is my hair at the moment. It's not light blonde like it usually is. A few weeks ago, was it about 4 weeks ago, I dyed my hair a dark grey colour and it hasn't quite lightened up properly yet, but this is what we're dealing with today, and I'm hoping this is going to go like a dark grey colour because I want to go out tonight with dark grey hair. Fingers crossed it goes all right. You pop it in your hair and I think you leave it for like 3 to 10 minutes and then you wash it out. But let's just read on what it says, the instructions, what to do. Directions: shampoo hair and towel dry. Wear gloves. I'm going to be a good girl, if I can find some I'm going to wear them. Apply Colour Revive to the hair, concentrating at the roots and combing through. Leave on approximately 3 to 10 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. I am going to head on into my bathroom. I am going to wash and towel dry my hair and we will pop this on my hair while we're in there because this will get everywhere in here if I do it in here. I will apologise now, the lighting is not the best in there. While I am popping this in my hair, I will speed through it for you and I'll just read a bit of information about this product to you. So hair is all washed and it is towel dried. Now it is time to whack this on. So I have found some gloves, which is great, and I have my old dye clip. I don't care if it gets damaged or anything. And then I have my dye t-shirt on as well, so if anything gets on that, I don't really mind. So let's get to sectioning and whacking this on my hair. Let's have a look at this. Oh, this is what it looks like. Oh wow, that smells gorgeous. It looks like a grey-y colour with a purple hue. I don't know if that's picking up on the screen. Revive your salon colour and help fight fade with this intense colour conditioning treatment. With a super fast 3-minute processing time, Colour Revive's nourishing avocado and linseed oil formula helps to restore vibrancy and shine. Leave hair soft, shiny and manageable. Shampoo and towel dry hair. Wearing gloves, apply Colour Revive to the hair, concentrating at the roots, combing through. Leave for approximately 3 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Right, so my hair is thoroughly saturated and it's looking promising. Look how dark that is. Ooh. I've used about half of this. Like I say, I have thoroughly saturated my hair. I probably could have got away with putting less on. I just didn't want to risk it because, as I say, I've got a night out tonight and I don't want to have any patchy bits. So yeah, that's what it looks like at the back. I'm going to leave this on for the full 10 minutes and then rinse it out. So I'll see you when I'm ready to style my hair and we can see what the results are like. Right, so I am back. I've rinsed everything out of my hair. I've got a new face on. I'm all ready to go out, but I need to dry my hair. I'm gonna blow dry it with my Revlon One Step Styler, and then for this video that's what I'm gonna do, and then when I go out I'm gonna use my curler and I'm gonna actually curl my hair. Maybe I'll show you both what both looks like, what it's like straight and what it's like curly. Why not? But yes, I'm gonna be using my heat protectant, which is in a safe place. I'm going to be using this. It's Tresemme Heat Protectant. It's one I always go back to all the time. But yeah, I will speed through this for you and we'll see what the results are like. Just to say guys, I filmed this video a little while ago. My hair is not great at the moment, just for people who want to know. Right, so this is the result. It's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. A lot darker, and I'm surprised with how dark it is. It didn't actually dye my brown bits. That would have been fantastic. But look at the shine on that, guys. Look at the shine. That's amazing. I mean, it does, this makes me really miss my dark hair, it really does. But I wonder how many washes it will actually last for in my hair. But yeah, I must admit I do like it. I just wish it was more even all over. Here it is. It's called the Glamoriser. I am gonna curl my hair. Let's see what it looks like curly. So I do love using this hair curler, but unfortunately tonight I didn't like the way my curls came out. Luckily throughout the night my curls dropped and looked much better. There we go, all done. I like this side better than this side. I always get one wild side. It's just me. But yeah, this is what it looks like, all complete. As I say, as the night goes on the curls will drop, but the colour I love. What do you think? As I say, it's a bit darker than what I was wanting, but I do really love it all the same. Yeah, I'm a happy bunny. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.